Hey everyone, Paul ISM, welcome to another At The Bench update. So before we get started today, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click the little bell notifications, get notified of all our latest videos, click the like button and leave a comment. I do read and reply to all the comments and appreciate everybody that takes the time to leave a comment on the channel. And of course, if you scroll up in the description, there's a link to a big long list of all the items I use in my videos. So if you see anything, you should be able to find it in there. So we're back. I said we'd be back as soon as this year is finished, and it is, hence why we're back. So I've got one in progress build to show, I've got a finished one to show, and probably my next build to show as well. So first of all, thanks again, all the kind comments on the last video. You guys out there are absolutely brilliant. Really do appreciate all the support and the feedback and the well wishes. It is quite humbling at times, to be honest, but thank you very much, everyone. It really is appreciated. Another thing as well, me being ill caused a bit of a backlog with UMP as well with Ultimate Modern products, which we have been playing catch up for over 2 weeks now. We're getting there slowly, very nearly caught up, but there is a delay. Because not only do we have private orders, we have shop orders as well, and they've got backlog too. So if anyone that's ordered and been patient, thank you very much for your patience. We're very nearly caught up. There's like 50 orders to go out today from the weekend that Hannah's absolutely worked through tirelessly over the weekend. So it is appreciated, and we do understand the frustration of waiting. It's just one of those things. It's just put a bit of a backlog on everything. And it's nice to see that most people out there do understand, and we do appreciate your patience, so thank you very much as well. So what have we been doing? Right, well, we've been working on the Sierra, which I'm going to show you in a second, and we didn't start the Porsche Panamera, which I did plan to. What I did instead was start a buddy build with Sam. I've not done a buddy build with Sam this year yet. Sam's had a bit of a hard time, so we kind of agreed not to do them for a while. But we both had this kit and we both wanted to do it, and that's it. That's what we're doing. So we're both building Tamiya's Subaru BRZ, the street version, street custom version, I think it is. So I'll show mine overhead in a minute. Sam's plodding along with his as well. So that's the build that's continuing now. Obviously we've got the Sierra done, and my next build, I think I want to do Tamiya's Mitsubishi Evo 6. I've not done a rally car for a while. I've not done a load of decals for a while as well. So I think I'm planning on doing this. Hope I'm going to put the picture up. I've also ordered the MSM Marlboro decals for it too. So I'm just waiting on those arriving. Hopefully they're not going to take too long, which is why I'm kind of on the fence about starting it, to be honest. But that's my proposed next build. And what I might do as well, brand new out, is this, the new Tamiya Mazda Roadster, which is MX-5 basically, I think, isn't it? These arrived at UMP the other day. It looks a really nice little kit, and I probably will review it through the week for you to have a look at. We've got them in stock at UMP, so if you want one, go and have a look. It's a brand spanking new kit, and it looks absolutely beautiful, it really does. So that's a possible build as well. Not forgotten about the video builds. Once I've finished the Mitsubishi, if I do that next, I'm probably going to jump straight into that Chevelle and video build it for you all. But I've not forgotten. It's just enjoying the peace and the time and the speed I'm getting through stuff at the minute. So yeah, but I do want to get that Chevelle done. So that will be the next build after this Mitsubishi, I think. I can't see any reason why not. And that's that. So let's have a look at this Sierra. So this is Tamiya's RS500 Sierra Cosworth Group A touring car, basically. But as with the Escort, I wanted to do it as a road-going track car. Now, with this being an older kit, there's a few more limitations on it. So it is what it is, basically. A few things that could change, like the wheels. I put the BBS RS rims on there, which look amazing. But I did have to alter a bit, like the camber of the wheels I had to adjust. And yeah, a few, what's the word I'm looking for? There was a few compromises needed, that's the word. So stuff that isn't quite there, like the twin fuel fillers, I could have filled it in, yada yada yada. Decided not to, decided to put a fuel filler on both sides. It's a track car, somebody might have modified it like that at the end of the day. There's no interior, there's one seat, it's got the belts on it, but it is what it is, so that's that. So we primed this in UMP grey primer. It was base painted in Ford Moonstone Blue from, I think it was Motor Nuts is the company that does it. It's a touch-up paint. It cost me £15 for 50ml. It wasn't cheap at all. So it had about 7 light coats of that. Colour's beautiful. The colour did look silver in a lot of the pictures, and a lot of people did comment on it. I could see the true colour, and you can see the true colour in these pictures now. So that's it. That's the colour it is. There's several shades of Moonstone Blue. This is my favourite shade, which is the lighter one. And I'm very happy how it turned out. We 2K'd it in Gravity Spain 2K clear coat. There's a few decals went on there, the 4 badges and the Cosworth logo on the back as well. An immense amount of masking needed for the window rubbers, the running strip, the bumper rubber strips, the front splitter, the rear spoilers. There's about 3 hours of masking there. It took absolutely ages to do. But worth it in the end because it ties the whole thing together. Inside we put a Hobby Design Recaro seat in. We did the PE and ribbon seat belts, and we microblued as well for the texture, which is working really well. I'm really happy with that technique. It does work really, really well. The interior we left as is. We put the extinguisher in there and the fuel tanks built in. We did the roll cage in Moonstone Blue as well, and we changed these rims out. We got rid of the kit rims, which aren't the best. They're a bit nasty. And we added these absolutely beautiful scale production BBS RS rims, which were an option on the road car back in the day. And they just look absolutely stunning. Being turned metal, they just look great. I did nothing to them other than give them a wash and put the decal in the centre, and they just look absolutely superb. Very happy with these. And that's it really. Polished it all up with our polishers, which will be announced very soon. And there she is in all the glory. It's one of those kits that photograph really well. I'm happy how it turned out. Like I say, a few limitations and a few compromises here or there, but it is what it is. It's another one of my dream cars, and again, one I'll never own because these things go for ridiculous money now. But beautiful kit. It's for an older kit. It's still a good kit. It's a 1986 kit, if I remember right. So it's an old one, but it came out well. I'm happy as a road car. Really enjoying the road cars at the minute. I don't know why all of a sudden. And that's it. So that's where we're at with that. Now, let's jump in and let's go have a look at the Subaru and see how that's doing. Right, so this is what myself and Sam decided to buddy build. It's the Subaru BRZ Street Custom from Tamiya. Again, not my normal choice of kit, but these kits are growing on me. All these road cars, the Japanese stuff, really is growing on me. And this is a great looking car, I think. So, colour-wise on it, myself and Tim were talking about Gravity colours of the week, and I was picking some. And Tim said, oh, you've got to get this colour. And it was BMW Amethyst Metallic Purple, I think it is. And I thought, you know, we'll try it on this. So we did. Now, when I first sprayed it, I was a bit worried because it did look brown. But as you can see, it's definitely purple. So this was 2K. I think it was yesterday I did this. I forget now. And this is where we're at. So Gravity 2K went down a treat yet again. Really nice. This is a beautiful, beautiful colour. This is straight out the airbrush. There's nothing been done to this yet at all. It's all completely as is. And as you can see, dust spots. We've got a couple on the door there. About 3 little ones, which aren't a problem. They can be dealt with. The roof. 1 little one there. Other than that, pretty clear. The bonnet or hood, depending on where you're from. Again, a beautiful, beautiful finish. A little bit of dust in there as well. And the mirrors are at the back. This is really handy on the Tamiya stand where you can stick parts in, and then this lives inside my dust case. As you've seen, so beautiful, beautiful finish, and I think that's a stunning colour. It's a real dark burgundy / purple. I think this is going to look pretty cool. So it is an engine kit. There is one in there, so we left the bonnet open so we can show it, and hopefully that's going to look pretty decent. So very happy with that clear coat. Now what I've done recently is I put some bin bag covers over the top of the boot to see if it made a difference in closing it in, and it has. Because the Sierra had minimal crap in it, this has, so it does show it is working. So I'm probably going to make a permanent one for that, but very happy with this colour. Again, very happy with the clear coat, very happy with the paint. It is a beautiful colour, but yeah, uncleared, it did look worryingly brown, and that was a touch disconcerting to say the least. But that's where we're at. So that's that. And as you know, if you follow me, I made these up. So these are the little plastic cases I got. I put some clips inside to hold the Tamiya stand in nicely like so. And then we've got our lid, which clips over the top, and it is vented at the side. It's a bit ramshackle, but it's there, it's done, and this thing stays in there nice and safe. So that's why I did that. Now we also primed up and painted all of the running gear, so they're all in there, they're all base painted. So the chassis is done, that's been painted the body colour down the side as well, which we can probably show now. There you go, there's the body colour. There's another piece of tape to come off as well, but I can't get at it right now. So there's that. We've got the front section, this is all body colour too, and we've masked it and sprayed the engine up. Everything else is a mixture of semi-gloss black. What have we got? We've got super metallic titanium and gold mix for the exhaust and brakes, and then matte aluminium from AK for everything else. And then the rims I've done in, give me a second, I forget where I sprayed them in now. This is, I think it's Mr. Hobby's super metallic titanium. Off the top of my head, that's what it is, but I've forgotten now. I detailed up the road bolts inside as well, and we popped a wash in there and the decals on, so they're done as well. So I made good progress on this. So I've got the interior to do, detail paint all the chassis parts, all the running gear, etc, etc. But we're going to wait 4 or 5 days for that bodywork to dry anyway, so there's no rush. Like I say, we'll probably start that Mitsubishi Evo in the meantime. So there we go, that's where the Subaru's at. Again, another colour that people are like, oh, we sure that's purple and not brown? I'm not going to lie, I did have a few doubts myself when I was painting it, thinking, oh my god, what colour is this? Now it's clear coat, it is just a beautiful deep burgundy purple. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour. And again, I'm hoping it's going to look good once it's done. It's a bit of a strange colour. But yeah, it's definitely the colour I wanted, so that's good. And that's that. That's where I'm at with that. So that's going to be left now for 5 days. I think it's about 3 days now. I think it was 2 days ago. And in the meantime, we'll probably start the Mitsubishi, get that to 2K, and then go back. This is the great thing with having 2 kits on the go. Constantly got something to work on, and it's constantly got something to go back on. I just hope the decals for the Mitsubishi show up pretty soon. Right, something I haven't done for a while, which I think we're going to do. We're going to have a look at the fish tank. There's only one now, as you can see, the other one's gone. So we've just got the 80 litre Endler Guppy shrimp tank, which is absolutely thriving, which you'll see in a minute. So we'll have a quick look at that and then come back. So if you don't know already, this is my 80 litre ecosystem aquarium. So I have no heater, no filter in there. It's literally filtered by a mass of plants and biomedia all over the aquarium, and it's great. So we have Endler Guppies, which you can see swim around happily. They feed the plants ammonia. The ammonia is taken up by the plants for growth, and then in turn they filter the water naturally. As you see, I've got an absolutely thriving Neocaridina colony in there. Started off with 15 of these, and there's God knows how many now, over 60, easily over 60. We've also got some Amano shrimp in there, tons of snails as well, and as you can see, everything is thriving in there. The snails are thriving, the plants are thriving, the shrimp certainly are. They're very, very happy. There's one of my red willies in there as well. We've got some yellows in there, and they have bred, so we have got youngsters in there, and they will become more apparent as we go through. As you can see, luscious plant growth. The Java moss, the shrimp absolutely love rooting through. Fish are very happy. Everything's really healthy in there, and it's just thriving as it goes. So beautiful to look at, and just low maintenance as well. All I need to do is trim the plants, change the water occasionally, and it basically looks after itself. As you can see, that tank, it's beautiful. I've trimmed the plants a lot lately because it was getting a little bit overgrown, so it's just absolutely lush with plants, shrimp, snails, fish. There's all sorts of aquatic life in there, and it's just thriving away. The shrimp are breeding like crazy. The fish are very happy. Snails are certainly happy. There's hundreds of the things, but it's an ecosystem, so it all works together. But I'm very happy how it looks. It really does look really, really good. Cherry shrimp are thriving. We've got red willy babies in there, which is brilliant. I have some clear shrimp, which I'm assuming are yellows. I hope so. But yeah, it's just beautiful. It's nice to look at, easy to maintain, really simple. I literally dose it up every day with different supplements, plant supplements. Hit the CO2 button every day, feed them every other day, and trim it occasionally, and that's it. It's a great tank, and I'm very happy how it's turned out. It really is beautiful. And it's nice and relaxing to watch as well. No worry today. I did plan on doing Warwick. I woke up at 2:30 this morning with a horrendous earache, which, judging by the stuff coming out my ear, I do apologise, is an ear infection. So great, and I can't take ibuprofen because of the warfarin I'm on. So I'm taking paracetamol and maybe some coconut later. And yeah, I'm not feeling the best today, so I didn't really feel like doing anything. And to be honest, I'm really struggling to think of material to do with Warwick. I've got a random idea to do, but I need some props to do it, so I shall have to have a think. But yeah, Warwick will come back. I do miss doing him because he's funny. And my little boy James is constantly asking if I've done any more videos with Warwick. So they will be back. I promise I will get them back in there. And there we are. So that's it today. That's all I've got to say. Like I say, we finished the Sierra, we've got the Subaru on the go, we've got the Mitsubishi, which I'm more than likely going to start next. Problem is, I'm like squirrel. I'll see a kit and think, no, I want to do that instead. But you never know. We'll see. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm a bit all over the shop today. It's one of those days. But yes, that's it. So there we are. Thanks for watching today. As always, make sure you sub to the channel, click the little bell notification, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I do appreciate every comment left and reply to every single one. Check out umpretail.com. We've got loads of new stock in. All the Badger Primers back in stock now. Badger Primer. All the UMP Primers back in stock now. Airbrushes are on the way. They should be with us in 4 weeks, I think it is. We've got loads of kits in stock, all sorts of stuff in stock. So if you're unsure, just go through and have a look. Our stock changes daily from stuff coming in and going out. And obviously everything you see me using these videos is linked in the description too. So you can click on that and have a look. And anything you see me using you should be able to find in there. Check out my Paul ISM page where all my personal modelling work is shared. Live at the Bench page and the Off Air Hangout group for the live shows and Off Air Hangouts. And that's it. I'll catch you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.